In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the header on only one page in Wix, quickly and easily. This is an essential skill to personalize your website and make a particular page stand out. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is your primary workspace on Wix where you can modify and customize your site design. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page where you want to change the header color. Ensure that you're on the correct page to avoid altering the header globally across your site. Once you've landed on the correct page, the next step is to click on your header. This action will select the header element, bringing up additional editing options specific to the header. If at this point you're having trouble selecting the header, ensure that your cursor is placed over the top of the page layout and be patient. Sometimes it might take a try or two for the options to appear. Now that the header is selected, look for and click on the Change Background button. The background is part of what defines how your header appears, including its color, which is what we're aiming to adjust today. This will open up a panel with a variety of options for customizing your header's background. In the Change Background panel, you'll see several options. Click on the Color tab to proceed. Here, you're given a chance to select and experiment with different color options. It's an opportunity to express your creativity and make your page unique. Take your time in this section to try various colors that align with your branding or personal taste. Once you've settled on a potential color that you believe will enhance your page's appeal, the next step is crucial. You need to choose a color definitively by clicking on the desired hue within the color options. Play around as much as you'd like. This is where you can explore to find just the right shade that complements the rest of your page's design and content. After selecting the new color, it's time to preview the changes. Click on the Preview button to see how your website looks with the new header color. This will provide you with a live look at how visitors will perceive the page. It's important to remember that colors may appear slightly differently on various screens, so ensure it achieves the visual effect you're aiming for. If everything looks good, you're done. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to change the header color on only one specific page in your Wix website. If you're satisfied with the look, be sure to save your changes before exiting the editor. This task is not only quick, but gives you the freedom to tailor individual pages to match their content purpose, making your site more dynamic and appealing.